This is a demo of best site analysis in London using a counter drone system as an example of how you might use this capability. The objective here is to deploy a system to protect the oval cricket ground here, world famous cricket ground in the middle of London, from interference by drones. So we need to deploy the system around here. It's a very built up area. Where do you put it? Well, let's load in a polygon of all the places where we could put it. So this is a polygon that we've created earlier with the boundaries for policing this event. Okay, so we loaded in the polygon. We now have a heat map. This is best site analysis, so it's radio intervisibility, showing all the best locations for detecting a drone that's at 100 meters altitude. As you can see, the cricket ground, the tall buildings there are recommended. However, this very tall building here will be cluttered with broadcasting equipment, not such a great place to put our drone detector. So let's reduce our options using the slider in the corner here, and so bring it in and we can see some options around the cricket ground, including the old gasworks to the north, which is a flat piece of ground which would be quite good. We're not going on this roof, so let's eliminate that by grabbing this slider here and just pull that back to reduce that option. And now we're faced with a much more focused set of results from which we can make a decision. Clearly we're not putting it in the middle of the cricket ground, so it's going to be on one of these buildings or the gasworks here to the north.